Hello from the beautiful beaches of Las Terrenas. Once again, Steve and Hattie here, and we're going to show you a wonderful townhouse today that we just got listed. Fantastic property. It's 2 levels, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, spectacular straight-on ocean view. It's wonderful. We need to go see it. Also, very important, has covered parking and also an actual garage, a garage with your automatic door that can be for storage, for workroom, for your cars, for parking, obviously. But that's very important. You don't find many of those here in Las Terrenas. So let's go look at the property. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. It is a beautiful property. Would love to show it to you in person, myself or someone on the team. Don't hesitate to reach out here. That's what we're here for. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell for new updates, new listings. We're here to assist you.